In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Zap in Zapier. First, you'll want to navigate to the Zapier website. Zapier is a powerful automation tool that allows you to connect different apps and services, automating processes that would otherwise require manual effort. Once you're on the Zapier website, you'll need to log in. If you're new to Zapier or haven't logged in before, ensure you have your account credentials handy. Enter your email and password in the appropriate fields, then submit to enter your account. Upon logging in, you'll face the Zapier dashboard, your central hub for managing all things automation. From here, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. You will see various navigation options. Find and click on Zaps. This section lists all the Zaps you've created in your account. Zaps, for those unfamiliar, are simply automated workflows you've set up between your apps. This view provides a comprehensive look at everything you've designed and implemented through Zapier. In this list, locate the specific Zap you wish to delete. If you have many Zaps, you may need to scroll or search, but once you've found it, hover your mouse over the Zap's entry. You should notice an ellipsis icon appear, typically symbolized by 3 vertical dots. Clicking on this ellipsis will reveal a drop-down menu with several options concerning this particular Zap's management. The item you're looking for is Delete. With a click on Delete, you'll initiate the process of removing the Zap. Expect to see a confirmation prompt. These prompts are in place to prevent accidental deletions and ensure that you really want to delete the Zap. It's critical to review this prompt closely, as deleting a Zap is a permanent action, meaning once it's gone, that specific workflow is irretrievable unless you've manually documented it elsewhere. Confirm your intention to delete, and Zapier will handle the rest. Almost immediately, that Zap will disappear from your list. It's as simple as that. However, remember that deleting a Zap means you'll lose any automated processes connected to that specific setup. If it's something you might need later, consider deactivating it instead so you can come back to it. And there you have it, a straightforward way to delete a Zap in Zapier. Whether you're new to the platform or just cleaning up old workflows, this process is essential for keeping your automation space organized. Should you require more tips or advice on managing Zaps or other features, stay tuned to our channel for more helpful tutorials.